All right, this is the Troop 59 canoe trip in April. We're all just kind of hanging out here from lunch. Looks like a lot of the rest of the group's starting to come on in here. I don't know if we can get in a little tighter. They're all coming down the river there. We'll put this up on YouTube. Oh, hey, say hi there. All right. This will be, yeah. So everybody's kind of getting ready to hang out for lunch. Everybody say hi. This is going up on YouTube, and we'll send it to you. All right.
Hi.
Yeah, there. Yep.
Hi. How you doing?
Yep.
Say hi to my mom for me.
Okay. Let's see. We got some more folks coming in off the river here.
I flipped. Me and my dad over there, we flipped.
You flipped? Okay.
Yeah, wave to the camera. We never flipped.
We're on the Niangua. We're a little too close there. Niangua River. It's April 10th.
We were number one.
Kind of a cool area.
Do they go under it all? Or?
I don't know.
Big panorama here. Hello, everybody.
But then we just completely.
I heard somebody flip. They were asking if we get the flip canoe back.
Yeah.
That would be me. You flipped?
We got one flip so far. See everybody else coming down here. Let's see if we got the rest of the group. All right, now we have the Troop 59 rock skipping competition, guys. Give us your best skips. All right. Okay, there we go. Zip, 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 zip. Yeah. Whoop. All right, I guess it's swimming time for Troop 59. A little cold to be swimming in April in a river, but hey, that's what boys do, eh?
Go all the way here.
Love him. Videotaping our misery.
Yeah, smile.
You mean head?
What do you go underwater? To go all the way underwater. Completely underwater. I don't know. Dad! Somebody's willing to pay me money if I go all the way underwater.
All right, we got some stragglers coming in, and I'm betting there's a story to this.
It's been 2 hours.
Let's see.
It's been an hour.
What do we got going? There's 3. We got a couple more coming.
You know there's a story that goes with it.
What happened? What happened?
Scorpion. Matthew.
Scorpions. All goes out for scorpions.
Here we go, man.
Matthew. Scorpions up here.
Here we go. Scorpions.
There's 50 other people.
Let's go.
Coming
Up
in.
here, we need you, buddy.
Jason, Adam.
I'm going to draw him in.
Who do we got out here? Another couple of canoes.